Installing a drive backplane and a drive cage assembly. Installing a drive backplane. Align the backplane with the backplane slots in the drive cage and then press the backplane into the slots until it is fully seated. Fasten the 3 screws to secure the backplane. Installing a drive cage assembly. Align the hook and guide pin of the drive cage assembly, then lower the drive cage assembly into the drive tray until the hook and guide pin are secured in place. Fasten the screw on the left and tighten the captive screw on the right to secure the drive cage assembly to the compute node tray. Reconnect the cable connecting the system board and drive backplane.